Hello and welcome back to another Volvo video. In today's video we'll be going over the work that has been done with the Volvo over the 2 school sessions that I've had. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it and let's see how the Volvo's coming along. Surprise, surprise, more rust. Our first mission was to fabricate this bar, which we could attach across the car. This will help us keep the shape of the car once the outer sills are cut off.
Wonder.
Now I can finally show you some progress. The floor is way better than it was before. No more rust holes, a little bit of primer going on here. Of course, more cleaning needs to be done, and yeah. And today's goal is let's get this seat hump back over here, and then we can finally cut away the outer sills and replace those as well. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll try my best to actually film. Currently it's nice and quiet in here. It's the early morning, and I'll show you some pieces that I made better yesterday. So this is the big old hump. Still needs to be cleaned up a little bit from the glue and stuff, but replace this over here. This was all rotten, rusted out. I didn't really make it as it was before because that part over here is anyway like in the air. I'll show it once it's in the car. So I tried to make it, didn't really go as I planned. It's gonna be under the carpet anyway, so yeah. So as you can see, now we just gotta reattach it, weld it up all over here, spot weld these spots, hammer this a little bit closer again, and then yeah, then we can finally move on from this floor. Soon we're gonna have to tackle this. Remove this once again, remove all of that, make a new piece, and yeah, that's gonna be a nightmare. Alright, I think let's make a little bit of a time lapse. So the piece is back in. It is definitely not the prettiest thing. Not gonna talk much about the welds because they are really ugly. But it is what it is. So let's clean it up. Let's clean the welds up and move on. I also remember that I had this bit. So this piece goes under the car. It was kind of in the way. So I just cut it out and thought I will weld it back later. Wait. Oh yeah. So let's weld that back in there. I hope you can hear me over the grinding sounds. And yeah, why not? Let's make another time lapse. I hope you can hear me. Lots of grinding as usual. The time is finally here where we can let's put this over here. Where we can finally start installing this, the new outer sill. I already cut off the top part because we're not going to be using that. And yeah, cut a little piece in the rear. So that's where it's gonna go. Now to just mark it over here, and yeah, let's cut the rusty outer sill away finally. Been waiting for this for a while. So I made a little access hole to see what's going on inside. Surprise, surprise, more rust. Probably going to make a little L profile here, so that I can use this back wall. That seems pretty solid. From here to who knows how long. So, time passed, cleaned up some parts. We have this little piece. That's gonna go here. Need to clean it up, clean the rust away, add some rust killer or whatever, not rust neutralizer. And yeah, I'll show you how it goes. So, like that. And just like that, we have a new inner sill. Gucci. So, another day in school. Got a little fresh cut. Let's go weld some more and maybe cover the inside of the sills with some primer, and let's carry on with the Volvo.